K with the small e. So you have a K sound. So K and then the E. You may have heard of, and I write it as key. You may have heard of the other key as well. I just write it like this. So that's also K, but with the body E. K with the body E, and that becomes this key. They look similar, or at least they sound similar, but there's a major distinction. The first one is what we'll be learning today for conjunction. The second one is your postposition. Okay, when we say Ron ki ladki or Ron ki bike, that key is showing the relationship between the subject and the object they possess. Similarly, like John ki school, the John ki school is this key, where there is more emphasis on the E sound, okay, body E. But when you're saying, the shorter key, that's your conjunction. So, and then you will see many more sort of situations where you use key as a verb as well. But let's just, for this discussion, we are talking about this key.